Hello folks, today I want to welcome you to the Thojomech machine to introduce you the closed loop version of our vertical mill. I want to show you the manual application. So you have here a power on switch, you have the emergency off, you have here system on, system off, and these two switches are for the CNC version to switch on power and logic on. So let's power the machine. You see here, you can turn the spindle to the left, turn it via the knob. You turn the machine to the right. You can also wire it, and you can switch off the machine. Basically the manual function is here with the big hand wheel. We have a security lock that you don't cut your fingers. You have ball bearing and linear rails. You have still the drill press functionality given, and inside there is also the ability to change gears if you need that. Normally with the electronic driving of the machine, it's not really necessary. This version has metal guards which you can remove, like you have seen here. And now let's switch on to the electronic version. Normally the way is you switch on the machine, you switch on the computer, which is mounted on the back side. Now you watch how long it takes till the system boots. And now I improved the speed by pressing the button. Now you see here the system is booting. It is booting in a Linux CNC, and we normally have two versions how you run your machine. In the normal standard setup, it goes into axis mode, where you get this screen, and it normally remembers the last size. So now we engage the power, and now we engage the power on the machine, and you hear this sound. This means the motors have engaged. Now I cannot easily move the machines. They're very powerful nanotech stepper motors. And this machine is closed loop configuration. So what do? We first reference the machine. Here you see how quiet the machine runs. The noise is really just from the metal guards, which are here for not having hot chips burning something. So you see how quiet this machine is. You can really run it almost everywhere. So, and you see the speed. The machine is quite fast. Can do 90 millimeters per second. Without any problems, we could tune it faster, but due to can have heavy loads on the machine, more than 30 kilograms is not a problem. That's the reason why we have not have it in full speed. Now I show you the spindle. You can do it by mouse. You can run it faster. You see how quiet the machine is. You stop it, go to the left side, other side, turn it around, move it, stop it. That's it. Now you're ready for use. You can run the machine also by keyboard. That's the way how we do it always. You see the speed of the machine. It is really going on. I've now pressed a lot, so that's the reason why it went that far. So, of course, you can switch off the machine, or you can switch off the machine anytime by stop, like that. You see the screen now disables, they are connected. You would have to enable the machine is protected that it not switches on. So, we have a second feature where you just close it and use the icon. I normally do the screen the biggest size available. This is prepared for the touch screen. If you like it, we press the button on, and here you can press. Okay, this does not work, so we have to do it manually. Now we initialize the machine. You see here you have the red letters. Now they went green. Now we do the same on the x-axis. We normally do not switch on the machine at home. We can do this at any given speed, but because you should not trip yourself. And that's the reason why we have chosen a quite slow speed for homing. You could set this in any given speed you like. Here you see when it went green, it is homed. The system is prepared for a force axis that's given here in A. You see here the numbers where it is, so it stops at 55 here, stops at 305 millimeters, goes down to 0, that's the way we run normally the machine. You could set it like you want it. Now we also home the force axis, everything green, and you could now run the machine. You can change here the speed to 1202 millimeters. There you see how quiet the machine is. See, and we could even speed it up. And because it's a closed loop machine, really nothing can happen. So, yeah, this is the same is here for the spindle, in the direction, stop, other side, yeah. And this is the base configuration, how we sell these machines. I hope you did like it. If you have any question, just drop us a note. Thank you very much.